Many of us aren't designing just PCBs or just enclosures. We're designing products, intelligent products that integrate electrical and mechanical characteristics together. So our design and engineering workflows need to do the same. Well, let me introduce you to the interoperability between EAGLE and Fusion 360, which is truly bidirectional. A mechanical designer can create the physical layout of a board in Fusion 360, and within the context of the mechanical design will specify details such as the mounting locations. Then the electronic designer can pull the board shape to continue the layout of the electronic components. As you can see, the physical properties of the design can be used to lay out board componentry within its space envelope, whilst maintaining all associated connections between EAGLE's component libraries to an actual 3D component. This interoperability ensures mechanical and electrical teams are sharing a common foundation of data, whether that be the symbol on the schematic, the 2D footprint, or the board layout, or the 3D componentry. The result is a PCB design that relates directly to its physical environment and shared data which is linked to the mechanical workspace where it's embedded within the hardware design. But it's more than just electronic design. It's more than just mechanical design. It's more than rendering, simulation, manufacturing, and collaborating. It's a comprehensive product development workflow, and Fusion 360 is the only solution with a complete PCB design workflow.